Behold, in this package, this mailing envelope is my probably number 3, number 4 grail of all time. Hopefully, unless I got scammed. More than likely, it's what I'm expecting. A pink XXL Heartbreak hoodie. We shall open it again on my way to work. No, it's okay. POV. Point of view. The audience. So I said. Huh? POV, hold it down. Okay. Hold this. Thank you. No more POV. Oh, I see the pink already. No scam, boys. No scam, ladies and gentlemen.
But it could be a fake pink one.
No. No way.
You've been scammed before?
No, I haven't.
Yeah. Let's try
I haven't gotten a fake.
Let's try it.
Yeah, but like, I got my money back every time.
You've been scammed.
Okay, whatever. Anyways, behold, in all of its glory, in all of its pink glory. Oh my God, it's so pink. Oh no,
it's not. It's yellow.
Oh no, no, it's stuck on the thing.
See? Uh-oh, it just rendered.
Hold on.
The value just dropped down.
Hold on. Can't let it. Gotta get it off. Gotta get it off.
It's now worth 120.
Oh, it just ripped off a lot of pink.
There you go.
Oh, just like that.
Terrible packaging, man. Terrible packaging.
Terrible packaging. Okay. It's safe now. Alright. No, it's not. You gotta get it out now. Let's fold this so it doesn't get on anything else. Are we gonna be on time to work, Dad?
It's gonna be very tight.
It's gonna be tight, but it was worth it. It's worth it. Okay, I'm gonna set my phone up like this and start a new video. Behold, the Heartbreak hoodie. I'm opening this on my way to work. This is a great experience so far. Here we go. Oh, you just tossed it in there like it was nothing. Wow, but it's no crack. I gotta show the camera. Wow, it's no crack.
The print looks good.
The print is clean, even though it came like crap. The print is clean.
Puff print is clean.
Everything is clean. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And the size? XXL. Now let's check out. Can you hold it? The back now, boys and girls.
Oh, you're actually showing that dusty. Oh yeah, let's see the heart. The heart's crucial.
No cracking.
Heart looks good.
Only right here. I'm starting to see a little bit right there. You can't even see it.
Now worth $100.
Oh, it's still so puffy though.
That's very good. Very good.
Very good condition.
Stains? You seen the stains?
Nope. No stains so far. Just a lot of fuzzy. Oh, and then. Huh?
Is there a sidearm thing?
This is quiet. Yes, there is. I want to check off. Sorry. Just so excited.
17 minutes. Oh, there is sidearm print.
Yep. And I want to. Oh, there is a stain.
Uh-oh.
Stain.
Take it back.
Didn't tell me about stain.
Told you. How about the arm print? See that?
Wow, no cracking. Oh my God. Freaking hoodie won't stay.
Well, because you shouldn't leave
no printing.
Because you don't care about the hood. Ooh, and there's stain up there in the hood. Or you just
Where?
got it dirty.
Where?
Up there. Up there.
This?
Yeah.
These are fuzzies.
Up there.
It's a fuzzy.
It's dirt.
The fuzzies. This is the only thing that I'd have to check out.
Yeah.
But this
I'll
is
bleach it.
This is pretty much uncracked too. This is actually still puffy. Very
Yeah,
clean.
It's not
Very clean.
That's a good hoodie.
Very clean hoodie.
Minus all the
Very
stains
pink.
and the cracking.
Very pink too. I love it. I love it.
Bad packaging.
Thanks, Dad.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Bad package job.
Bad package job though.
Very bad.